Tired of your money sitting idle, earning next to nothing? Have you ever looked at your bank balance and thought, there has to be a better way? Welcome to the club. We've all been there. But what if there was a platform that could not only help you grow your money but also make it work smarter for you? Intrigued? Let's talk about StashAway. Now, you might be thinking, investing? That's for experts, right? Wrong. That's the beauty of StashAway. It's designed with the everyday person in mind. No financial jargon, no complex spreadsheets. Just simple, smart investing. Imagine a world where your money is on autopilot, growing steadily while you focus on other things. That's the StashAway promise. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. At the core of StashAway is something called robo-advisory. It's basically like having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fee. Using advanced algorithms, StashAway analyzes your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon to create a personalized portfolio. This portfolio is a mix of different assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate, carefully selected to optimize your returns while managing risk. One of the biggest advantages of StashAway is its accessibility. You can start investing with as little as 10,000 Nigerian nairas. No minimum balance, no hidden fees. It's investing democratized. And the best part? You have complete control. You can monitor your investments, adjust your risk level, and withdraw your money anytime. But what about safety? Your money is as safe as houses. StashAway is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and your investments are insured. So, you can rest assured that your money is in good hands. Now, let's talk returns. Past performance is not indicative of future results, but StashAway has a proven track record of delivering competitive returns. Remember that investing involves risks, but with StashAway's diversified approach, you can potentially grow your wealth over the long term. So, who is StashAway for? It's for anyone who wants to make their money work harder. Whether you're saving for a house, retirement, or just building an emergency fund, StashAway can help. It's for the young professional starting out, the parent saving for their child's education, or the retiree looking to supplement their income. We've touched on the basics, but there's so much more to discover about StashAway. From their various investment plans to their top-notch customer support, there's a reason why people are raving about them. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, it's time to give StashAway a try. Visit their website or download their app to get started. Your future self will thank you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.